Welcome back to Behind Radio. The night heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drek's defeat, there were parades, press conferences, fancy dress balls.
And the wiener roast at Al's.
Oh, yeah, that. And then things started to slow down a bit. After that,
there was the grand opening at Groovy Lube.
Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic sense.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
Mr. Ullbaum, I found our man.
What the?
I'm Abercrombie.
Ratchet reporting. I'm on final approach to coordinates 37 Alpha.
Good luck. I'm counting on you.
Affirmative. Beginning radio silence.
Try customizing your quick select in the pause menu. To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick. Press circle to fire your lancer. Increase. Defeat more enemies to increase it further. Your maximum mana depth has increased. Defeat more enemies to increase it further. Using the gravity bar. Hold triangle and select it with the left analog stick. Aim your lancer more accurately by holding down forward.
Ratchet checking in, sir.
Incredulous. I didn't expect to hear from you again. So soon.
There was a slight problem. The thief escaped with the experiment, and I have no idea where he was headed.
Not to worry. I just received an omission which may lubricate the matter.
Do you have any maps for this quadrant of the galaxy? You bet, mister! We got galactic maps, 3D maps, fold-outs, cutouts, maps to the stars, and their homes. I forgot my wallet. Could you hear this?
For a map, press Select or R3. The tractor beam moves small and medium-sized objects which have glowing orange targets like these. Press circle to move those columns so you can scale the cliff. You're at full health, so you don't need the nanotech. To go to a new planet, you'll have to find new coordinates on this planet first. The camera, tap L1. To reverse the camera controls, go to the Options menu.